Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very much excited to review a product by PetSnowy, and it's gonna be the automatic litter box with self-clean function. And this is just a game changer for everyone who has cats in his house out there. So guys, I'm a lazy person. I love everything to be automated for me. I am a huge fan of all the, like smart house type of a design, all the smart house accessories and gadgets. They are all entering our lives more and more, and I'm so very happy about it. Like, I hate doing things because it's wasting my time, wasting my energy, and I could do so many different things using this time wisely. And as older we are, as more precious our time is. So I'm truly definitely like older. Right now I'm 36 years old, so my time is extra precious. This is why I love to have automated type of a house. I love to have products that will take care of stuff for me, so I could free my hands and spend more time with my beloved pets. So this is why my entire house is definitely automated, full of different gadgets that are doing the same tasks for me. So I'm freeing my hands, saving my time, and definitely my money as well. So guys, this is a full detailed review of an automated cat litter box by PetSnowy, the Snow Plus. Let's get started. So this is a Snow Plus by PetSnowy automatic cat litter box with self-cleaning function, and this is an amazing litter box that is definitely gonna change everyone's life. So there is no scooping anymore. I'm a lazy person, I hate scooping, so automatic litter box, it's the best resolution for me. As well as this automatic cat litter box comes with a smart application, so you can fully track your cat's health through the smart application as well. As a result, you are gonna get less odor, less bad smells. You'll have a minimal tracking for your cat's needs. This box, it also comes with an easiest setup. It's all assembled. You just literally take it out of the box and start using, as well as it has a 7-stage safety protection for cleanups for your cat, because all that PetSnowy care about, it's the safety and the comfort of your little furry friends. So since I've got this automatic litter box, my house is definitely cleaner and with a better odor control. So I don't need to track my litter anymore. The smart application and the smart PetSnowy Snow Plus does it all for me. As I said, guys, there is no any type of assembly needed. It is easy to set up this one in 30 seconds only. So you simply leave the top cover and add a fresh litter and let Snow Plus do the rest. Literally take it out of the box, add litter, and you are done. This self-cleaning cat litter box automatically scoops, collects, and seals waste in liners. The maintaining a clean litter box is now a complete breeze. Also, it gives you freshness. So any type of a poop smell, you're welcome to say goodbye and farewell to that smell. Well, no more any poop smell in our house. This box made to ensure a fresh air for you and your loved ones. The Snow Plus automatic cat litter box features an internal TiO2 Photocatalyst system, which is offering the ultimate solution for your cat's well-being. So it gives a peace of mind, at least for me. Let me know if it gave you a peace of mind once you got it down below at the comments. Also, it's extra convenient of no frequent replacements. So this box needs an extra very much little of even an effort from you. It's also an effortless health tracker, so you can remotely keep track of your cat's situation directly from your smartphone. With the Snow Plus smart application, you can access and adjust settings on the go, as well as you can view activity reports on your cat's behavior literally from anywhere around the world. It is an effortless safety, so you can rest assured that your furry friend is always going to be safe with the 7 stages of the Snow Safe Plus protection. So when the cat enters the automatic cat litter box, the box is actually having a lot of sensors all around. So the box knows, hey, the cat is at the entrance, the cat entered the box, and so very on. By these sensors, the box always knows the situation as well as the location of your cat, like where is your cat right now? Is it around the box? Is it inside? So thanks to these sensors, the cleaning process will immediately pause if your cat entered the box. If, for an example, your cat entered the box while the box is in the middle middle of cleaning itself. That for your cat's safety. Now, cats under 3.3 pounds, usually under 6 months, which they are kitties, you know, small little kitties, they are prohibited from using this litter box. So if you have a little kitties that are under 3.3 pounds, well, please keep in mind they cannot use this box. Now, this automatic litter box also offering a timely support. So this automatic litter box is automatic scooper as well as it's automatically sift waste after each cat visit to ensure your kitten always have a clean place to go, which that means it can be used for multiple cats as well. So if you are having 2, 3, 5, 10 cats, they all can use this litter box. Definitely. This box is also extra quiet, so the noise of this one is under 35 decibels and it's like whisper. So this is what you're gonna hear, like literally whisper quiet. And it's odor free, it's mess free, and it requires an extra minimal maintenance. So guys, be so very sure to check this box out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine of the PetSnowy Snow Plus automatic cat litter box. And this is a game changer. There is no need to scoop anymore. The smart application it works with absolutely gonna send you notifications, gonna let you track the health of your pet, how many times your pet is using the toilet, you know, and stuff like that. It's gonna track the litter and so very on. So this is a huge game changer. If you own cats, this is a must for you. And if you're still scooping, oh my God, I feel so sorry for you, literally. Well, guys, be so very sure to check PetSnowy out. Everything can be found down below at the description box of this video of mine. Coupon codes, discounts, and so very on. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'm personally a huge fan of PetSnowy. That's the most favorite pets brand because all of their products are such a high-end, such a luxury type of products, and they're always adding a lot on top. Their products, like they're always adding like towels and you know some like pet equipment that you can definitely use with your pets, and it's extra cool and super cute. Well, guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.